welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you full transformation of 750 IL. Let's go. I'm going to take this 750 to one of my guys to do the PDR. There are plenty of dings on that car. On the camera you can't really see it, but it's like bam, 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 bam. It's like in every spot. There are a couple of more different dings on the hood, little scratches here and there, so I might touch that up before I do the wrap. I want to clean it up really nicely before I actually go into wrap that thing. This is, by the way, the first time driving the V12. Super clean, 98,000 miles on the clock. Let's see it. Oh yeah. Super nice car. I mean, like, interior is absolutely immaculate. And so far I like it. Super comfortable. The only thing that I'm feeling already, it's lower control arms. In the trunk I have every piece for the suspension to be replaced. Yeah, I can feel it. It's all beat. Feels like previous owner actually didn't fix anything on that car. Traction controls on, so that's an indicator of either ABS light or ABS module or the speed sensors. But typically when your speed sensors go out, you would have the trifecta light. This one doesn't have it. The owner already bought KW V2 suspension. It's on the way. Hopefully it's going to get here in the next week or so I can replace that. And he bought full FCP kit. It's like everything that you can get for the actual repair of a suspension, so you have all that as well. It's just like another 7 Series. Like, when you're cruising, you don't really feel a difference in the power, torque, or horsepower. I mean, it's not a lot of horsepower anyway. It's a really quite small difference. Definitely more comfortable. I think it has a little bit more torque. So like right now I'm doing 40 miles per hour and I'm not even at 1500 RPM, which is cool actually. Wood is really pristine. Dashboard, typically like on these cars you'll see the dashboard like cracked right here, there, or somewhere here, like in one of those spots, but this one is like brand new. And the trim all the way around the car, panels look super nice. So like I said, I can't wait to wrap it in red. I think that's gonna be pretty crazy. So today is the day actually I'm taking the 750 to my shop. Everything is done with the PDR. It's all cleaned up. As you see, there are absolutely no more dings. Guess what? It had 36 or something like that, like 30 plus dings. It was everywhere on the trunk, it was on the doors, it was on the hood. This side right here was absolutely banged up. It was like boom, 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 like somebody in the garage just kept hitting it. I like probably at least 15 on one side right here. So we got that out. Everything looks clean. I would say it's going to take 2 to 3 days to wrap this car, and I'm super stoked and excited to see it. It's gonna be hot rod red, so stay tuned. right now. Finished installing Bav Sound Speakers. Installed the full interior speakers. Got done with the deck. We finished doing KW V3 suspension conversion. So as you see, it looks much cleaner. Ordered a lip with no Alpina logo. About to replace the front grille. It's going to be gloss black versus matte. And going to install the Avin Deck. Now that's going to be a little challenging because you physically have to run a full wire all the way to the back of the car. As you see, the car looks absolutely insane. It's a hot rod red wrap on the car. We almost done. Going to dim out these headlights as well. I just delivered at 750. Guy came, picked it up. On to the next one. Let's go.